Yo, what's up? What's up? Oh, shit. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, man? We back for another video, man. This is gonna be a quick one, man. This is gonna be not a vlog, man. I'm giving out straight information. This whole video is gonna be real quick. But you guys see the title, man. This is just basically how to make money with your first website. I've already recorded the part that you guys are about to see. So I already know where I'm going with it. So it's kind of cool. You know, I can just preface it you guys and let you guys know exactly where I'm going with it. But the website that I own, one of the websites that I own that I'm going to basically feature on this video is going to be the ALLLLLL.com. TheOnlineMoneyBible.com, man. You guys will see everything that's going on with that website, man, on the next clip. But I just want to hope you guys having a great day, man. It's crazy hot in Vegas, so I'm sweating. It's summertime, man, so you got to expect that. But hope you guys all hustling, man. You guys are progressing. Also, man, I hope you guys watch some other videos, man. I told you my videos are gonna get better eventually, man. I'm learning, I'm grinding, I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing about this, man. Learning, looking up stuff, all that, man. So it's gonna get better, man. It's gonna get to a point where everybody gonna understand what's going on, man, eventually. But I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys like, man. I'm coming out with a whole bunch of different stuff, man. It's not always going to be about websites and making money, man. Sometimes I'm just going to go out and just show you guys some stuff. I got another video that I'm about to release that I'm about to shoot with a homegirl. That's coming out probably this weekend. It's going to be dope. It's going to be one of those, you know, I got a chick trying on some clothes, some lingerie and all that stuff, man. So be on the lookout for that, man. That's going to be real fun, man. You guys going to like her. I think we're going to have something going on too, you know, one of the good homies, but I think we're going to do a little collab if you guys like those videos, man. But yeah, be on the lookout for that, man. But anyway, for this one, man, we're going to basically how to make money on your first website, how I'm making money on all my websites that I basically create. I got another video on basically like buying a website and doing all that type of stuff, man, like the beginner stuff. If you guys want another part of that, let me know. I'll do one of those again or whatever, you know, and break it down maybe in more depth. But this video is going to be basically, you know, how to link stuff, how to create everything, how do I make money, how do I just put it on autopilot, and, you know, just a website, a cool website that I'm doing just to teach people, you know, how to make money online, man, how to do little stuff, not really the YouTube stuff, make money online, but more like SEO, affiliate marketing, all that type of shit, man. Like this stuff that, you know, you can just do on the back end. You can do like I got 5 websites, man. I got like 7 websites, but only 5 of them have like affiliate products offers. Other ones are for just more like information and like to gain information on certain people, you know. But yeah, man, we about to go right into the video right now, man. I know it's crazy dark right now. I switched angles up, man. I'm still learning this camera, so bear with me. But like I said, man, I love you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, share, all that shit, man. Let's get it. Let's go right now. All right, so we in the computer now, man. This is gonna be a real quick video, man. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. But this is just a website. This is my website, the ALLLLLL.com. Pretty much, I created this just to be like an affiliate place where I can just market and talk about whatever I want to, man, and rank with SEO to basically, you know, pretty much market links and affiliate offers and courses and blogs and all that type of stuff, man. Basically, a way for me to just get information out without really having to put my real person out there, you know. Like I can type blogs, I can do affiliate products, courses, sell all that stuff, man, make a little cut, and it's not something that I have to like constantly manage like I do on YouTube. But I'm gonna show you real quick, man. Just like when I first go to the website, man, what I do is I created this website and I made it so there's automatically a pop-up. Let me see, it probably won't pop up now because I just closed it, but all right, so this is the pop-up right here. This is a box basically saying click here for a free ebook. And what I did is, the plan is for someone to actually put their information, their name and their email address in, and I send them their information, you know, a free ebook about how to make money online, you know, different skills that I've acquired. And in return, I get their email address, and then I can market them for other stuff. You know, say I come out with, you know, another blog, or I come out with another piece of product, or I want to, hey, this is a cool camera. I'll be able to have a big list of emails that I can send that information out to. But just the website by itself, this is the, like, go back to the main page. This site, I just have affiliate products. So I have an area just for affiliate products where basically what I do is I close this out. But this is all different affiliate products that I've had. And this is one of the sites that I just recently created. So it's not fully built out yet, but I just want to show you guys something and how to make a little extra money. But like say Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is basically what a program that you use to like do product research for Amazon FBA. And if you sign up for Jungle Scout using this link, like watch, it'll take you to another link. It'll open up in a new page, and this basically is my link. You know, it shows my affiliate offer. So if anybody signs up for this, I think it's like $40 a month. I'll get a cut of that, you know, so I get money there. What else? If you need to create a website, Bluehost, I get a cut of that if you use this link. Aweber, I get a cut of that if you sign up. This is an email responder. So basically all these things are going to be searched in Google. So if somebody falls on my website, they'll actually sign up, hopefully sign up using my link, and I get a cut of it, but I don't have to go out and really do much, you know. And what I also did is a little teaser, a little trick. I made the whole thing clickable. You know, usually it would just be like, here, click here for the cheapest price, or, you know, it might be a little blue link or something here, click here. I made the whole text. All the text like links them to somewhere else. You know, it says page cannot be found because I don't have it all set up yet, but a lot of these they are. So let me see. Let me find another one where I do have it set up. Show you guys real quick. All right, Jungle Scout. We'll just go back to Jungle Scout. You see how Jungle Scout opens up in that actual link, but it's the actual text that I'm clicking on. It's not the Jungle Scout like button. So I made it so the whole page, whatever they click on, man, they eventually gonna click get to my link. You know, if you need, you know, like I said, a domain, if you need an autoresponder, if you need a microphone, if you need a MacBook, if you need the camera that I got, if you need TubeBuddy, all these are affiliate links. So if anybody needs any of these products, man, I'm getting a cut of it, you know. And we can go to another side too. I also created a blog section so I can actually like talk about different things, different topics, and hopefully they rank in Google. So when somebody goes and tries to click on something like retail arbitrage or how to get rich or ClickFunnels, they'll eventually end up at my blog. And on my blog, again, I have a whole bunch of different links that they can click on to basically give me a cut. And the whole time where you're on the website, this is popping up. So I know this is probably going to get a little annoying, but I got to change it. Like I said, this is a brand new website. I just recently created this. So I haven't done all the settings or whatever, but this is just my blog part, and I'm tying affiliate offers to the blog as well. So if you're coming here just to learn about ClickFunnels, there's a whole bunch, there's multiple links that you can click on to actually get to the products that I'm trying to provide just by reading my services and reading my, you know, description and knowledge of the topic. I also have other blogs as well, how to get rich with Dollar Tree Online. I've probably made a video on this, but this is also something that I'm doing, and I made it so you guys actually have, if you come to the website, the Online Money Bible, there's affiliate links for different products that'll help you if you're trying to sell and do things with Dollar Tree and retail arbitrage. So like, let's say you just need, I don't know, if you need a printer or Scotty peelers. Scotty peelers are basically what you use to like peel off the little barcodes, because if you're buying something on, you know, to sell on Amazon, it can't have its own barcode, so you got to peel those off. But it has to be clean, because when you send it to Amazon, it's eventually going to go to another person. So you can't peel it off like it's a, you know, like a birthday present or like a Christmas present and it'd be all like, you know, halfway on, halfway off. You got to clear these boys off and make it so it's clear and clean and it looks original, you know, because somebody's buying it like it's brand new. So they don't want to see an old sticker on it, because also they're going to automatically assume that it was cheaper than what they paid for it. A lot of people don't know that Amazon is actually ran by regular people, not the actual company, you know. But anyway, let's go back to the website. And I also have an area for courses. I don't have anything on here yet, but I just have the actual like setup. If you have a course that you're trying to market, or if you have any type of online service that you're trying to like provide to people, I'm going to be able to put that here. And what I'll do is it'll be another affiliate link. So if somebody comes here, say they want a Ty Lopez course, or say they want a Kevin David course, or anybody type of will motivation course about real estate, any course that somebody wants, I'll be able to tie these here, and hopefully it's an affiliate link, so I'll get a cut of it. And like I said, the beauty of websites and doing affiliate and all this other stuff is you don't have to be there to actually watch it. It's always running. So let me close that. And a lot of people are going to wonder, like, hey, are you really making money from this? Yeah, I am. Like I said, this is a brand new website. You can see all this stuff is like regular. I haven't really like changed a lot of stuff, man. I probably worked on this for about 2 or 3 days. So it's real, like, raw right now. It's not made up the way it's supposed to be or what it'll eventually be. This is just one of my websites that I just created, and I probably have about 5 to 10 websites that I manage and I do this on. Different niches and all that other stuff too. But let me go to the next one, man. If you eventually get to, you know, like if you use these links for affiliate products, I know you guys probably know all this already, man, but I'm just going to go over it real quick for the people who don't. Say somebody buys this microphone. I get a cut of it. I get a cut. This is the Amazon Associates page where you basically can see all the links and the amount of money that you made with all your links. And I haven't made that much money, 66 cents. I think I got a little bit more because if you count like all the days or whatever, the last month, I think I got another sale or something. But like I said, I haven't really been running any ads to this website. I haven't done much of just posting those links, you know? So you can already see here how I got a couple sales or whatever. My earnings is only 172. I've sold, I guess $35 worth of stuff or whatever, 3 products or whatever, but I haven't done anything with it. This isn't the ramp up. I just posted this stuff online, man, and people came to it just to come to it. It wasn't like I really did much with it. And if you want to talk about the little pop-up, like when you go to my website or whatever, you have a pop-up with their email. Like I said, I haven't even really went live with this website yet. But if we go to MailChimp, this is basically where I keep all my emails. And you can see how I have 5 new contacts. And I'm not going to like click on it because it'll show their email, and it's people going to the website. So it's not even people that I know. So I'm not going to expose their information or whatever. But you can see from June 9th to July 9th, I got 5 new contacts. And these are 5 new contacts that I'm going to market to. I'm basically going to sell products to. I'm going to put them in my email string of things or whatever, and I'm going to send them products or listings for products, links. I'm going to, if they're into emails, I'm going to send them products that they need for email. I'm going to send them products for Amazon FBA. I'm going to send them products for retail arbitrage. Whatever page they clicked on to get to my email area, I know what products they are geared towards or what they're really looking for. So I'll be able to market exactly what they need to them by their email. And like I said, not everybody's going to be able to buy the products or whatever, but if 1 can, 2 can, 3 can, that's all good, man, because it's all about ramping up. Eventually that 5 will change it to 100, and then to 1,000, then to 10,000, 100,000. And then at that point, man, you just automatically have the ability to just, if you have, say you're trying to sell, say I created a book or ebook that I'm selling for $4.99, man, instead of just posting it online and just hoping I get organic sales, if I got an email list of 100,000 people, I'll be able to send that boy out to all those people at once. And if I'm selling for $4.99 and I got 100,000 people on my email list, which is a huge email list, maybe 100 people buy it, man, and that's $500. Maybe 1,000 people buy it, and that's $5,000, man. But basically, the bigger your list, the bigger your contacts, you have the ability to create your own wealth. Just imagine instead of an ebook, I had one of those courses like, one of the people who sell courses online for $100, $500, $1,000. If I know what people need that course and I set them up in my email, situation, and I market to them and they, hey, I do need this. Hey, I do want this or whatever. That's $500 a pop, $200 a pop, $100 a pop, man. So it all came back from the website, man. So like I said, man, this is just one of the websites I created to make money. And before you guys look and say, man, this ain't really your website, man, this ain't your shit. Hold on, let me show you, man. I'm gonna show you the back end of it real quick, man, just so you can, anybody who knows about websites, they know you can only get here if this is actually your site, but you can forget all that, my email address or whatever, I don't care. This is just a throwaway. Another thing with this, man, every time I create a new website, I create a brand new email account. I create a brand new everything, man, just so I can match up and I know exactly where is going where, who's coming because of what. If I just have one email account and I created all, blended everything, all my websites together with that one email address and, affiliate offers and all this other stuff, man, I wouldn't know how to really set it up where, it's just confusing because you got so many websites that are attached just to one email address. You don't know who's coming for what. You don't know who's coming where. You don't know if this is because of you did this right or this wrong or this side is selling well because of this. I just try to separate everything, man, like a business. So this particular website, this particular email address, this particular Amazon Associates account, this particular MailChimp list, all that stuff, man, is all separate, man. Email address is separate. I got a different, address. I got everything is separate, man. So I know exactly what's going on and who's coming where for what, But anyway, man, this is a quick video, man. We're going to hop out back to the car probably, or maybe not. Maybe I'll just end it here. I don't know, man. But love you guys for watching this video, man. Love you guys for listening, man. Subscribe down below. Please subscribe, man. We got a whole bunch of different videos coming. I got plenty of different ideas, man, that I'm going to throw out here, man. I got just all type of ideas and things I'm trying to just give it all out, man. So we're going to get it real, man. We're going to really start hustling, man. Hustling and progressing. We got to do something different, man, if you want to have a different life. So let's get it, man. Peace out.